Hello, my dear friends, and a very warm welcome. Do settle in, because today's subject is a little different from the usual, and it could be worth more to you, or to someone you love, than almost anything I've shared on this channel before. For 2 winters, the whole country has argued over the winter fuel payment. Who lost it? Who won it back? A few £100 fought over on every front page. But here's what never made the front page. While we all looked the other way, something far larger was slipping past almost 1 million households, quietly, year after year. Right now, around 900,000 pensioners are missing money they are fully entitled to. For many, more than £3,000 a year. It has a name: pension credit. And here's the strangest part. Qualifying for as little as £1 a week can swing open a whole set of doors behind it. Money off your council tax, a free TV license, real help with your heating. The tragedy was never that people don't qualify. It's that hundreds of thousands never claim it, simply because no one ever explained it in plain English. Today, I will, step by step. So let's start simply. What is pension credit? In plain English, it's a top-up. If you're over state pension age and your weekly income falls below a certain line, pension credit lifts it up to that line. That's it. It comes in 2 parts. The main one, guarantee credit, tops your income up to a guaranteed minimum. The second, savings credit, is a small bonus for some who put a little aside. And I want to be clear about one thing, because it stops so many people. This is not charity. It is not a handout. You paid into this system your whole working life. This is simply money you are owed, and the government would genuinely rather you claimed it. Now, the big question: could this be me? Here's a simple rule of thumb. If you're single and your total weekly income is below £238, or you're a couple, below 363, there's a very good chance you qualify. That income includes your state pension and any other pensions. And here's the important bit. Even if you're £1 or 2 over those lines, don't write yourself off. If you're a carer, severely disabled, or have certain housing costs, the line is set higher for you. When in doubt, you check. It costs nothing to ask. But here's where the real money gets lost. 3 myths, and they cost people thousands. The first: I've got some savings, so I won't qualify. Not true. The first £10,000 of savings is ignored completely. It doesn't count at all. Only above that does a small amount come into play. The second: I own my home, so it's not for me. Also wrong. The value of your home is not counted, and homeowners claim pension credit every single day. And the third, the quiet one: I'm too proud, or it's not worth the fuss. My friends, you spent 40, 50 years paying in. Claiming what you are owed isn't pride swallowed. It's pride earned. So how much are we talking about? It varies, but the average successful claim is worth around £4,300 a year. Let me show you with a simple example. Margaret is 68 and lives alone. Her state pension and a small private pension come to £205 a week. The guaranteed line for a single person is £238. So pension credit pays the difference, about £33 a week. That may not sound like a fortune, but it's over £1,700 a year, and as you're about to see, it's only the beginning. Because here's the part most people never hear. Pension credit is a key. The moment you're awarded even a single pound of it, a whole set of other doors swings open. Money off your council tax, sometimes the entire bill. If you're 75 or over, a free TV license. a £150 cut to your energy bill through the Warm Home discount. Help with NHS, dental care, glasses, even hospital travel. Add it all up, and that one key is often worth another £2,000 to £3,000 a year, on top of the credit itself. One claim, a whole chain of help. So let's do exactly what I promised. Step by step, how to claim. Step 1. Have a few things to hand. Your national insurance number, details of your income and any savings, and your bank details. Step 2. Choose how you apply. The easiest by far is the phone. Call the pension service, free, on 080 099 1234, and they will fill the whole form in for you, over the phone, about 20 minutes. Prefer online? Go to gov.uk/pension-credit. Step 3, and please don't skip this. Ask them to backdate your claim. Pension credit can be backdated up to 3 months, so you may receive a lump sum right at the start. Now, 2 warnings and 1 reassurance. The reassurance: you never have to do this alone. Age UK on 080 0678 1602, and Citizens Advice will help you claim, completely free. The first warning: never pay a company to claim pension credit for you. It is always free, and anyone charging you is taking money that should be yours. The second: the real DWP will never text you a link asking for your bank details or passwords. If you get one, it's a scam. Delete it. And one last thing. If you were turned down before, or your circumstances have changed, you can simply apply again. So here's my one request. Don't leave this for someday. If there's any chance these numbers are close to yours, make the call. Or make it for your mum, your dad, a neighbour who'd never ask. A 20-minute phone call could be worth thousands of pounds a year, every year for the rest of their life. That isn't a small thing. That's a different retirement. If this helped, do subscribe. I make these to be useful, not to frighten you, and I'll see you in the next one. A quick note: this is general information to help you, not personal financial advice. The figures are correct for the 2026/27 tax year at the time of recording. Always check your own situation at gov.uk/pension-credit or with Age UK or Citizens Advice.